welcome to the Ballet Basics for Adults series. I'm Alessia. Today we're going to frappe it, and it's not the drink. So are you ready for this? Brilliant, let's get started. Frappe, which is not the drink, and it means knocking. Frappe, frappe, frappe everyone at the door, okay? So we frappe. Why do we frappe? Because it's bitten, but what is bitten? It's the metatarsals that brushes and beats the floor every time. How do we do that? I'm here for that. So remember the pointy foot that we had before in the fondue, finding the little ankle bone. From here, rather than having this time around the toe attached to it, we want the heel. Imagine an ironing board. Yeah, your foot now is an ironing board, and it attaches and it comes to the ankle bone. From here, whenever we frappe, we want to frappe, we want to beat the floor, yeah? And how do we do that? The foot goes towards a tendu, but it wants to beat before because it's high up. It's lifted from the floor. Be careful at not actually hitting the floor. It's just really brushing. I've done it wrong many times, don't worry. From here, the metatarsals point. When we come back, we don't hit the floor, we come back straight. So it's only on the way out. On the way out, we go push and in. Push and in. Do you remember the glisse? Does the glisse lift up? We hit the wall again. So we hit the wall and it doesn't bounce off. Comes back. Hit the wall, comes back. We've got a double hit. The floor and the wall. Come back. Same thing to the side. We hit and come back. Hit, come back. Hit, come back. How does it work to the back? To the back, it's a little bit tricky, and I'm gonna turn around. Forward and side is here. To the back, the ankle is here, yeah? Don't do anything weird. We want that sustain. Remember, plie, lift, right there. It's almost like we're cutting off our leg. I think of a piece of paper, a drawn piece of paper that in this position, and we go up, and it stays there. To the back, we hit at the back, and the foot comes back, leaving the knee where it is, because otherwise this happens. And it's the dance of the rooster, and we don't want the dance of the rooster, yeah? Hit and come back, hit and come back, hit and come back, yeah? Just something to remind ourselves of when we do it so nicely that every muscle knows exactly what it's doing. Hit, come back, let's try with the other side. Ironing board of the foot comes up to where the ankle bone is. We want to go into a glisse, but there is a floor in the way. So we hit the wall of the glisse, but on the way there, we hit the floor with the metatarsal. Hit, come back, hit, come back, hit, come back. You're knocking. Knock, knock. Who's there? Knock, knock. Frappe, yeah? Very good. Let's do the exercise so you have a little bit more fun. Remember to download the guide and calendar to keep track of your progress and path. It's down in the description box below. You just need to click on the link and download it. Plus remember, if this is the very first time that you get around here, the playlist is going to be linked up there, so you can start from scratch from the very first exercise that we did. Let's do it. Let's start from our beloved third position, yeah? So we're already here, and I want you to prepare like this. It's very simple. I want you to start getting that movement of the ankle. It might take a little while, so don't worry. I just wanted you to know that there is this fun exercise that is called frappe. I just love the names. It just makes me think of summer and frappes and milkshakes. From here, I want you to go into a tendu, and we prepare here. So it's almost like telling our body that we're getting ready. From here, I want you to just point and flex your foot. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We do 3 frappes to the front. 1, come back. 2, come back. 3, come back. and stay. We repeat again to the side, point and flex, point and flex. As you can see, nothing else really moves. Out, in, the knee stays where it is. It doesn't go off the tangent. We go point at the back. It's almost like you want to hide that little heel. And flex, point, flex, point, flex, point, flex. Back, in, back, in, back, in, hold, again, back, hide, hide. It's almost like it's coming peekabooing out. Flex, 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 point, and close. That's it. We do it one side and then the other. Your ankle might feel a little bit stiff by the end of this. Again, we're working on muscles that we've never worked before, but I really want you to feel those little muscles out there because those are the magic ones. Let's give it a go. Let's think of milkshakes for the summer. Out, flex, point. Very nice. Frappe front, frap, in, then gliss, in, gliss. Very good. Flex. And smile. And hit. Don't move the knee. Don't move the knee. Hold. Very good. Magic 3. Hide. Peekaboo. Hide to the back. Back. In. Back. In. Back. In. Hold. Very good. And side. 3, 2, 1. Point. Finito. Other side. Point, flex, point. Three, 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, hold, squeeze, point, flex, point, flex, point, flex, point to the side, hit, wall, hit, wall. Hold, everything to the back, point, flex, point, flex, point, flex, point, very good, and hit, come back, hit, come back, hit, come back, hold, hold, squeeze the bum, and in, very good. Ironing board, in, ironing board. Point to third. I'm so proud of you. You even got to do frappes. It's not an easy step and you did it. Beautiful. Let me know in a comment below how it went because I want to know about that progress. I want to know every single step you're in and how it's going. Remember, okay, I know you're ready for the very next step and I won't let you wait. So here we go into something adagio. And it is for the developpes.